All right, so tonight on Joy News Interactive, we can bring you the entire, the whole 9 yards of Joy News Interactive. I would tell you some of the stories that are getting hits on our Facebook page and also on Twitter. So the first one has to do with Steve Harvey, and Ms. G and I were talking about it. I'm just going to play. Of comments coming on Facebook. The corruption in Ghana has gotten there too. How could this be? SMH and Chief Mono says, how and why? Hey, you two are corrupting, nowhere cool. And then Prince Nurudin says, very interesting story, corruption, MTN, like everywhere you go. And Michael Yaku, wow, talk about awkward. Now imagine the EC chairman makes such a mistake in the 2016 election. I doubt that is going to happen. But also on Twitter, so Steve Harvey has been apologizing. I'm going to looking for that apology. Okay. So here he says, I don't learn. Let's start from here. I'd like to apologize wholeheartedly to Miss Colombia and Miss Philippines for my huge mistake. I feel terrible, and this has been retweeted 90,000 times, as you can see. Secondly, I'd like to apologize to the viewers at that viewers that I disappointed as well. Again, it was an honest mistake. 31,000 retweets. And then I don't want to take away from this amazing night in pageant, as well as the wonderful contestants. They were all amazing. So you can see Steve Harvey is actually also trending. And then we also have Absolute Nights in Ghana, Best of Plays, Steve Harvey, Joy SMS, of course. And then you can also get to, oh wow, this one other story on Joy News, Joy News' Facebook page that happens to be Rafiq Salam Wa getting married in Wa over the weekend. You can get to the Facebook page to get to see how it actually panned out over the weekend. And we have a number of comments coming after that. So that'll be all for Joy News Interactive, and of course that'll be all for Joy News Prime tonight. An abridged version. It's been just 1 hour, and that's going to be the case for the next 2 weeks until the new year. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good night.